welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I have a fun and exciting DIY project for you. It's another hula hoop inspired centerpiece, or you can use it as wall decor, and this one is actually for a little girl's birthday party. So it could fit into the theme of unicorns or princesses or anything that has like that pink, purple, pastel color theme. You could use this for. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Oh wait, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Alright, let's jump into the video.
To get started, you'll need a hula hoop, and then you want to go ahead and begin to unwrap the plastic wrapping that's on it. And then you want to go ahead and detach it and empty out the contents that's inside it. And then you can go ahead and spray paint it any color that you choose. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the photo frame, and we're just going to secure that with some E6000 and hot glue, and glue the mirror, or not the mirror, but glue the glass back inside of it, and then also the base. Then I'm going to go ahead and attach the hula hoop to the photo frame. And I'm going to use both E6000 and hot glue to do this. If you want to see a slower version of this step-by-step process, I'll link the previous hula hoop centerpiece that I did up above so you can take a look at that. This is just like a quick recap. Next, we're going to go ahead and fold our tool and begin to cut rectangles, pretty medium-sized rectangles. I'll have to measure one for you guys and include the measurements down in the description box below. So yeah, you want to do that for all colors. I am using 4 different colors for this particular theme, but feel free to use whatever color tool that you like. And I got mine from Joann's Fabric. I know they sell it at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, all sorts of places. At Joann's, I was able to get it for $1.50 per yard, and I'm using 1 yard per color. So each color I got in a yard. Then we're gonna go ahead and use some rubber bands, some small ones. Clear is preferable so you don't really see the color showing, but all I had was black, and the store that I went to did not have clear ones, and I wasn't about to go to 1,000 stores just to get some clear rubber bands, so I'm just using what I have. So what you want to do is just take each one of your rectangle pieces and you want to gather it like a fan almost, and then go ahead and rubber band it to the hula hoop. So there's several different variations you could use when it comes to applying the tool to the hula hoop. For me, I'm just sticking to the same repetitive colors, the order of them, but of course you could do like an ombre look. You can do one where it's all solid colors. I mean, clearly there's tons of options out here, so get creative. So here's a closer look at how to apply the tool. And this is what it should look like once you finish applying all your tulle. So now I'm just going to add a few balloons. I found this colorful #2 foil balloon in the dollar store, and then I also have some small 5-inch balloons that I'm going to add to the bottom as well, just to cover up the base some and just add a little bit more flair to it. I'm going to be using some fishing line and scissors to accomplish this. Of course, this part is very customizable. You can get a foil balloon that is in the theme of your party. If it's unicorn, you can get a unicorn. If it's princesses, you could get like a crown foil balloon. Or you could use anything that you want. Cutouts could go in the center. You could get a cutout of a crown or whatever princess that the party theme is in. There's tons of things and options that you could do to fill the center part of this. And then of course with the base, same thing. You can use balloons or you can use other things just to fill it up and make it customizable and personalized to whatever your party theme is. One thing that I really like about the tulle on the hula hoop is that you can change the direction of it. So as you can see, you can bring it all to the front, you can push it all to the back, you can have it going straight up. You can alternate, which I'm going to do in just a second, where I have one going to the left and one color going to the right. And I just do that all the way around the hula hoop. You can also do like a spiral effect with the tulle. So there's tons of options that you can do with the tulle, and I really like that it has some versatility. So I thought I liked the 3 balloons at the bottom, but I realized that it wasn't full enough for my desire and my liking. So I went back in and added more balloons. So I'll insert some photos of that.
So, what do you think about this DIY project? Please let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. If you guys want to see a boy birthday party themed hula hoop centerpiece, let me know also, because I'm thinking of ideas in case you guys are interested in that. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more greatness I have at Cotton Creations. And thanks for watching.